P0300 Nissan, cylinder misfire detected random cylinders. Possible causes. 1. Faulty spark plug. 2. Faulty ignition coil. 3. Clogged or faulty fuel injector. 4. Intake air leak. 5. Fuel injector's harness is open or shorted. 6. Fuel injector's circuit poor electrical connection. 7. Ignition coil's harness is open or shorted. 8. Ignition coil circuit poor electrical connection. 9. Insufficient cylinders compression. 10. Incorrect fuel pressure. Tech notes. The P0300 code means that a cylinder, S, is misfiring or is randomly misfiring. Start by checking for intake leaks. Intake gaskets are common cause of multi-cylinder misfiring. If no leak are found, the next step is to replace the spark plugs. If the problem persists, more tests needs to be done to diagnose problem. See possible causes. When is the code detected? The control module monitors the crankshaft speed and has detected a misfire condition. Possible symptoms. Engine light on, or service engine soon warning light. Lack/loss of power. Hard start. Engine hesitation. P0300 Nissan description. When a misfire occurs, engine speed will fluctuate. If the engine speed fluctuates enough to cause the crankshaft position, CKP, sensor signal to vary, the engine control module, ECM, can determine that a misfire is occurring.